Storm.
This might go away. No? Think I'm oiled up. I think. I had to wipe my phone. Daddy.
Oh,
I have to put my white coat on and your white coat on.
that's a good idea.
We go outside
Then we can go outside, can't we?
to go my wash my thing tea.
Should we get some feijoas?
Yeah, and wipe them.
You want to wipe down the seats? Or wipe down the feijoas?
Wipe down the feijoas because they all wet.
What about the guavas?
Yeah.
We want some of them too. Well, maybe we should go and get them and put them in a bowl, and then we can wipe them down once we get back inside.
Okay.
Should we put our raincoats on?
Yeah.
Is it raining outside?
No.
Excellent. Oh, maybe we don't need the raincoats. If we go fast, run fast.
It's not raining now. It's not raining. Look, the grass wet. Can't go on it. It's under the grass. Did it?
I think it might still be a bit wet, but it will dry the grass pretty soon.
I want to go down and cut some flowers. Can you hold me on the wet grass?
Yep.
Put
Is it going to rain again?
No. No way.
Okay, come with me.
And I just, I think, because the sun died, that the other one, because it's not raining. And it's not raining.
You hold that?
No,
Oh, what?
it's too big. Open it.
The feijoa?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Like that and then.